This is a quick look and unboxing of the Huawei FreeBuds Pros, its latest pair of premium true wireless earphones with adaptive active noise cancellation. So let's get inside and see what's included in the packaging. Up top are the FreeBuds Pros themselves, which we'll put aside and check out the rest of the accessories that come in the box. It's a fairly snug and tight-fitting box if you ask us, but it does come with all the important stuff you'd need to set these up. So first up, you get some replacement ear tips, which you can change depending on what kind of fit your ear likes. You also get some safety and warranty information and a Type A to Type C USB cable for charging these with a very generous length, something that you don't see often with earbuds like these. Okay, now for the earbuds themselves, instead of the white color shown on the outside graphic of the box, you get them in the silver frost color finish, and we like that color a lot because it's different from the regular white we usually see from other brands. The box shares a glossy/metallic look and feels premium and hefty in the hand, coming with an external LED indicator and a Type-C port for charging, although it's very nice to see that these support wireless charging as well, so you could pretty much plop them on any wireless charging pad and charge them that way too. You find the earbuds inside alongside another LED indicator, and the earbuds have this glossy appearance to them that almost immediately stands out. The hinge of the case is also really solid, there's no accidental closures, and there's a level of satisfaction when opening and closing. We're actually going to take the earbuds out for a closer look, and you'll see that they've got this boxy stem, which is a bit different from the other earbuds we usually see. There's some minimal Huawei branding on here too, but you do see that these pick up fingerprints with ease given the nature of their finish. And here's how the earbuds look when worn. They're a bit smaller thanks to the smaller stem and fit very comfortably so far. We'll be testing the audio, battery, and overall usage experience with these over the next couple of days and follow up with a more detailed look of their performance. But for now, that's been it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do make sure to subscribe for more videos. This was Vaibhav, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.